So we will taste and know how our work is. Wow, it's so good. Hi guys, today I want us to make yogurt at home. This can help you save a lot in times like now. The economy is not so good, so as much as you can, try to do some things at home, and I'll show you how to make yogurt for your children or for yourself. So we have 1 liter of boiled milk. We're gonna sieve it. Then we have our culture. We'll use this. Then I'll be adding strawberries. That's what my children love. And yeah, so let's get to it. So you need to use plastic. If you want your yogurt to be so thick, use plastic containers. Don't use any metal. Metals kill the bacteria, and what we need is the bacteria to help the yogurt to be good. So if you want your yogurt to be thick, if you have the unpasteurized milk, use that. That's one thing that can make your yogurt thick. Then let it rest for a long time. After you've put all the ingredients together, give it time to rest. It will become more thicker. Then use some quality culture. Then just keep it in the room temperature. Yeah. Avoid using metals. Use a plastic spoon, anything that is, or a glass, but avoid metals. So I'm using a plastic container for to put the milk. So we'll go ahead and sieve it. So ensure your milk is not cold and already boiled it, but you can still it has some bubbles. It's still warm. So first of all, boil your milk. Let it rest like for 10 minutes. Then use it when it's a bit cooler, not hot, just warm. So we are going to sieve it to this container. It. Then we'll get our culture. Make it at least, don't use it direct from the fridge. It has been at the room temperature for a number of like 30 minutes, I think. So don't take it out of the fridge and use it direct. Let it be at room temperature. So this is the culture. Ensure you mix it well before putting it in your milk. Mix it well. Then we add it. Then mix it slightly, not too much. I'm not adding sugar, I will be using my strawberries instead. So we are going to blend the strawberries. So the strawberries, wash them and blend them. To add a little water. So we want it here. Then get your cling film, cover it tightly, and you remember to heat your oven for 5 minutes at 200 degrees, and you leave the lights on. After that, after 5 minutes, switch off your oven, but you leave the lights on. Be generous when trying to cover. Be generous with your cling film so that it covers it tight. Like that. Let's put more on this side. One more here. Let it be airtight. Look what I found in my strawberries. This one I have to eat it. So sweet. So once you've covered your yogurt, put it in the oven, leave the light on for 6 hours. After 6 hours, switch it off and let your container rest for your yogurt rest for 24 hours. I will see you when our yogurt has stayed for 24 hours. So let's put it in the oven. So my oven is heated at 200 degrees for 5 minutes, but you leave the light on. So we will place our yogurt to rest for 24 hours. Let's put it inside. And close it. If you don't have an oven, you just wrap your container with a heavy blanket and leave it in a warm surface, mostly in the kitchen because that's where it's warm, and wait for 24 hours. Okay. So finally, it's after 24 hours. We open our yogurt and see the progress, guys. So let's open it up. So we will taste and know how our work is. Wow, it's so good. So try and make yogurt at home. Is simple as that. So guys, see you in the next. Thank you for watching. At least they have something to take after school. Some yogurt and some donuts. They'll be so happy. Thank you. Let me continue with my yogurt.